Well, here I go. Try to give it a start up here. Yeah, things are kind of rickety. I have a long ways to go on this thing. Wiring is still kind of haphazard. None of this is hooked up to anything. Just got a battery feed going up to my ignition switch to provide power to my points and to fire it up. We're going to give it a try, see if it'll start. I just filled my carbs up with fuel. This is the choke. That's the choke it there. I'll give it a little choke. Turn the key on. And since it's human powered starter, I'm going to give it a kick here. Oh, and the other thing is, I got no throttle. Not enough throttle here. I need to get a cable for it. So if I want to speed it up, I'll have to pull on these a little bit. Get things to jazz up a little. She wants to run. Yeah, I like that. Let's try one more time. She wants to scream. It's alive!